Hello traders and welcome to ChrisFX. Today I will teach you what constitutes a good change of character and what is a bad change of character and how to increase your odds of winning trades. For this example I will use S&P 500 and here we are on the 4-hour time frame, and the concept is way simpler than you might be thinking. As you can see here with the ChrisFX courses, we were able to pinpoint the area that price would be reacting from almost to the pip, but now I will go ahead and remove all of the drawings and I will show you another way to trade from these areas, and you do not need to overcomplicate things. Here we have this order block on the 4-hour time frame, this whole up move before the down move and the break of structure, and as I have been teaching you, there is a lot of liquidity above all of these areas. So we have liquidity above this area and we have liquidity above this area right here. Whichever the case is, if we are able to identify a proper change of character, we do not care from where price might be reacting. As an example, in these occasions right here, let's say that you wanted to trade from this order block, this week is an order block on its own, you wouldn't be having a proper change of character. So you would not be entering a trade. Let's go ahead and move forward now, and when we are in the area that we want to trade from, then we will scale down to the 3-minute time frame. Now, the first trick right here is to increase a little bit your time frames. So instead of trading on the 1-minute time frame and getting false signals, you can go ahead and trade the 3-minute time frame, which is my personal favorite time frame. I'm still entering trades, of course, on the 1-minute time frame, but the 3-minute time frame will give you way less false signals. And here I'm moving forward. Of course, we do not have anything right here. People who are new to trading might even consider this as a change of character right here, or even this right here as a change of character. This is nothing but grabs of liquidity and a reaction to this whole area right here in order for us to continue towards the upside. And in occasions such as this one, I will show you how to also enter trades right here, for example, and target even higher before the potential reversal takes place. So let's move forward right now. Okay, we move forward and we're waiting for a deeper retracement into the area. We grabbed a ton of liquidity, as you see right here, tricked a bunch of people into entering short trades, and now we will be expecting the real move. Now, one good thing that we have in the courses, as you saw at the beginning, we had a very tiny area which we were expecting a reaction close or exactly or a little bit above this area. This helps us to stay away from those fake moves, because those fake moves can trick many people out, even the most experienced traders. So let's go ahead and wait for the real move. For the moment, I will go a little bit higher on the 5-minute time frame, and let's see what we have right here. It will be very apparent when price makes the real change of character. There you go. First of all, you can instantly compare the way price came into the area right here, leaving those huge imbalances. You see those huge imbalances which needed to be covered. This, of course, 99% of the time is not gonna be a reversal, but price is gonna be reacting from here in order to continue towards the upside. But here, on the other hand, check out how price is reacting. Of course, we have this imbalance right now in here, but look how price slowly is struggling to make higher highs and higher lows, and we will see about the proper change of character. Let's check this out. Again, with the ChrisFX courses, we had it pinpointed to a small, tiny area, so we were expecting for price to retrace from this area. Furthermore, I'm just starting with my Telegram channel because many people have requested it, and I will be providing signals for those people who don't wanna learn how to trade on their own. I will be providing my signals through Telegram and I have a very high success. You will just witness on your own as well. So let's move forward. Right here, we see the first reaction. Okay. There you go. You see, of course, still we don't have the change of character. The change of character will happen when we break this area right here. But you see how different this price action is compared, for example, to this price action that we showed earlier, where price was retracing like that in order to continue towards the upside. So let's check out if we have a break of structure right here, which will constitute a change of character at the same time. There we go, we have our change of character. Now, there are a bunch of ways to enter those trades. One of these ways is to enter from this fair value gap, this imbalance right here. So you can place your trade as it is right here with a stop loss right above the area. Another way would be to enter from this order block right here, okay? So someone else might go ahead and enter from this area right here. Personally, lately I'm entering from the fair value gaps because there is less chance that you miss the trade and more chances that you are activated into the trade, but this way, of course, you are sacrificing lots of pips. Now, my first target would either be right here at the beginning of this order block right here. This would be my first target, and this is a trade that I called, of course, in the Discord community, but from now on I will be calling the trades on the Telegram, which I am gonna be creating today, later on, and I will be adding a fair price for everyone. Let's see how price played out. There we go, we are activated into the trade. Even if you would be placing your trade right here at the order block, you would be activated into the trade. Okay, so let's move forward. We came close, but still we did not get out of this trade. This is why it is important. You will see many people advocating you should be placing your stop loss right here. Never do it, in my opinion. Not even just on the top of this area, but a little bit above as well. Okay, so there you go. Here we hit our first target. Regarding the rest of the targets, we will be going to a higher time frame. This could be another target, but it is very close to the first target, so I would be going instantly and targeting this one as a second profit. Let's check out how this played out. Okay, the stop loss would have been almost at break even already, a little bit above. We do hit the second target. And for the third target, you can go ahead and target, let's say, fair value gap such as this one, the beginning of this fair value gap, in order to be safe. Let's see how this played out. This is the third target that I hit. Of course, many people will show you that in retrospect they hit the first target right here, and that they went for an initial 25-to-1 reward to risk. This can happen, you can do it, but take into account that in order for you to predict such moves the whole time, you will be, for example, losing 20 trades and then you will be winning 1. Always close partial profits if you want to become a profitable trader. So, realistically, this is the last point where we closed profits. So again, in my opinion, a secret that I want to talk about is to stay on the 3-minute time frame instead of the 1-minute time frame. I am taking trades on the 1-minute time frame, but I have a bunch of confluences and you will see the high success that I have when I will be calling those trades on Telegram. And for you people out there who have the logic that if somebody is profitable, he wouldn't or she wouldn't need to sell signals, you are absolutely mistaken. Because from a business perspective, let's say that me, ChrisFX, I have my personal account, let's say, with $25,000. In a good average month, let's say, you would be expecting a return from 6 to 10%. This would be a great return. Of course, some months even more. So let's say that ChrisFX is making $2,500 per month. Now, if I have also 50 people in my Telegram group, and if I charge $50 per person, I'm making an additional $2,500 just from the people that I have in my Telegram group. So, of course, from a business perspective, it is a win-win situation for everyone. This is gonna do it for today, and stick around for the Telegram Signals group. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.